Alright, what's next? Something light and small. I have no idea. It's light and small, that's all I know. Remember, always pull toward you with your knife so when you go through the box it can cut you like that. Very important to do that. Not a lot of weight here. Still don't know what it is. You'd think by now I would know. It rattles. You can almost see something, but I still don't know what it is yet. I still don't. Oh, I know what these are now. What the hell are these? Chrome. What the hell are these? These are tools. So these are pin bore gauges. This one is no longer available. Whatever. So these are different size pins, measuring probes, correct phrasing for them. So I got big ass ones I don't use. That one I don't care about. That one I care about, and this one over here, number 24. That's the real small one. I care. That's the one I need. This one I don't need. This is the one I need. Now I got to buy a tool to actually use it with. So when you're doing your valve guides, you have bore gauges right here, and these are the probes right here. So I finally found all my tools, but the problem is, well, not all of them, most of them. These only go down to 300 thousandths. And the problem is 7mm is 290 thousandths, roughly. So they're too small to use. So even though I got my small 5/16 probe in here, it's too damn big. So these are Mitutoyo, which I like really nicely. There's the numbers I use. Those work really, really well. The problem is they're just not big enough. So Diatest makes probes that go down to 30-40 thousandths. And they make these split probes like this that go down to like 1/8 of an inch. So these ones here will do what I need to do. So I forget which one of these are which, but these will go into a little bit over 1/4 inch all the way up to 300 thou. So one of these two sides will do it. So that's what I bought these probes for. Now I have not tried to see if these would work in the Mitutoyo. I'd be shocked if they actually did, but hey, you never know. If they work in that, I'm great. I already got indicators, but anyway, I meant to buy me a Diatest probe. So Interrapid makes that. It's German. So I bought the probes because these do wear. These are a wearing part. And so anyway, that's what those are for. So I got a deal for all of these. So these big ones I don't really care about too much, but yeah, I don't care about. This might work on the airplane maybe. This is what I need for what I need. Alright, so you go. That's why I bought those. Only reason. And I'm thinking ahead because I don't have the tool yet. But I got the probes. There you go.